Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll begin with a new poem in English New Voices. Today we'll be doing part 1. And whenever we start with a new poem or a new lesson, what do we start with? We start with the new words. Okay? So, teacher is going to say the words three times and you all are going to repeat after teacher. Okay, let's get started. First word, along. A-L-O-N-G, along. A-L-O-N-G, along. A-L-O-N-G, along. Second word, backwater. B-A-C-K-W-A-T-E-R, backwater. B-A-C-K-W-A-T-E-R, backwater. B-A-C-K-W-A-T-E-R, backwater. Third word, through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. Fourth word, rushes. R-U-S-H-E-S, rushes. R-U-S-H-E-S, rushes. R-U-S-H-E-S, rushes. Fifth word is dabbling. D-A-B-B-L-I-N-G, dabbling. D-A-B-B-L-I-N-G, dabbling. D-A-B-B-L-I-N-G, dabbling. Next, sixth word, tails. T-A-I-L-S, tails. T-A-I-L-S, tails. T-A-I-L-S, tails. Seventh word, drake. D-R-A-K-E, drake. D-R-A-K-E, drake. D-R-A-K-E, drake. Eighth word, quiver. Q-U-I-V-E-R, quiver. Q-U-I-V-E-R, quiver. Q-U-I-V-E-R, quiver. Ninth word, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Tenth word, bills. B-I-L-L-S, bills. B-I-L-L-S, bills. B-I-L-L-S, bills. Next word, 11th word, sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. 12th word, busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. 13th word, everyone. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone. 14th word, free. F-R-E-E, free. F-R-E-E, free. F-R-E-E, free. 15th word, swift. S-W-I-F-T, swift. S-W-I-F-T, swift. S-W-I-F-T, swift. 16th word, whirl. W-H-I-R-L, whirl. W-H-I-R-L, whirl. W-H-I-R-L, whirl. Okay, children, we have finished with the words and you all will learn the words for dictation and write the words 5 times in your book. Okay? So, let's continue. Now we will learn the meanings. We will try to understand the meanings of certain words. Okay, so the first word is backwater. Okay, backwater. What is the meaning of backwater? You know, the river is always flowing. Okay, the river, when you see a river, the water of the river is always flowing, but in some parts the water is still. That means it does not flow, it is still. It is like a statue. Not exactly like a statue, means it does not move. Okay, how the river is flowing, actually the river flows, yes, but the still part of the river which does not flow, that is called as backwater. Okay, the still part of the river that does not flow, okay, it does not have a flow, that is called as backwater. Dabbling. Now, what do you mean by dabbling? Dipping in the water and splashing gently. Okay, dipping in the water. You take a dip in the water and splash the water gently. Okay, that is called as dabbling. Okay, now next, quiver. Okay, what is the meaning of quiver? Shake lightly in fast motion. Shake lightly, you will shake lightly. Okay, in fast, very fast motion. That is called as quiver. Next, swift. Now, here's the meaning of swift is a kind of a bird that flies very fast. There is a bird and its name is swift. Okay, the bird is called as swift and that bird flies very fast. Okay, whirl. Whirl means move round and round in circles. Move round and it will move round, and when you move round and round in circles, that means whirl. Okay, next, bill. Now it is not the light bill or the gas bill. Okay, it here the meaning of bill is beak of the bird. Okay, beak. Birds have beak. Okay, so the beak of a bird is called as bill. Okay, now let's see the next word. Out of sight. Out of sight means not visible. When you are looking at something, okay, and after some time it vanishes. Okay, it goes off far from the things. When they keep on going far from you, okay, then the things are not visible. Okay, they are out of sight. Okay, suppose you are standing near a river. Okay, and you see some fish in the water. The fish will keep on swimming here and there, and suddenly the fish will go out of sight. Okay, you will not, the fish is not visible. Okay, it suddenly goes out of sight. Okay, you cannot see the fish, that is out of sight. Now, through. Through. What is the meaning of through? In at one end or side and out at the other end. Now, if you have seen mountains, children, see, usually mountains, big mountains, if you see big mountains, okay, there are tunnels made in the mountain. Okay, tunnels. So, the mountain, this is the front side of the mountain. Okay, and there is back side of the mountain also. So, this tunnel joins the front part to the back part. So, this tunnel, this is the opening of the tunnel, and the other side, the back side will be the end of the tunnel. Okay, so when a car, suppose you are traveling by a car, okay, and this is a big mountain and there is a tunnel, so you are passing through the tunnel. So in at one end, so this is the part where you enter, that is in. Okay, and it is entry of the tunnel. Okay, entry of the tunnel, it is in at one end or side, and then to the other side it is out. Okay, and you pass through the tunnel. Have you ever passed through a tunnel? It's fun to pass through a tunnel. Okay, so that is the meaning of through. Okay, now next, rushes. Rushes, to do something quickly or move quickly. Okay, when you're doing something very quickly or you're moving very quickly. Okay, rushes, the meaning is rushes. Okay, for example, Mohan rushes to the bus stop to catch the bus. Okay, move very fast, move very quickly, that is called as rushes. Okay, children, you all know what bird it is. Yes, what bird is it? It is a duck. Yes, you all are right. It's a duck. Now, duck is a water bird, right? Duck is a water bird. You see ducks almost all on near the ponds, rivers, and lakes. You will see this ducks moving around, right? So now if you see a duck, there are different parts of the duck's body. Okay, let's see. Okay, now see. This is the tail. This part, let me switch on my pen. Okay, this is the tail part. Okay, this is the tail part. Okay, now what are these called as? These are called as wings. Okay, that is the wing of the bird. Okay, now next, see here. This is the eye. Okay, now this is the beak, and these are the webbed feet. Okay, these are the webbed feet. Now ducks, swans, all the water birds, they have webbed feet, and these webbed feet help them to swim in the water. The webbed feet help them to swim in the water. Okay, so all the water birds, they have webbed feet. Now there are some special things about a duck. Okay, there are some special things about the duck that you will be very much interested to hear. Okay, see, now here if you see the first point, it is the first point is a group of ducks is called a paddling. Now if you see ducks, they usually move in groups. If you see, there are 3-4 ducks moving together. Okay, so when they move in groups, they are, it is called as a paddling. Okay, now ducks feathers, can you see, as I showed you just now, feathers, they are waterproof. Okay, they don't get wet. The feathers on the body, okay, not the wings, sorry, the feathers, all the birds have feathers on their body, right? So the feathers, they don't get wet. Okay, they are waterproof. Now ducks, they have 3 eyelids. Now what are eyelids? This upper part of our eye is called as an eyelid. Okay, I'm closing my eyelid, I'm opening my eyelid. I'm closing my eyelid, I'm opening my eyelid. Okay, so ducks have 3 eyelids. Okay, now next, see the fourth point. Ducks cannot feel heat, cold, or pain in their feet. Now, this bird's feet, the duck's feet, it cannot feel anything. It cannot feel the heat, it cannot feel the cold, it cannot feel the pain. Okay, its feet, it cannot feel anything. So if you see, even in cold water, chilled water also, they can swim very nicely. And because their feathers are waterproof, the water is not staying on the body, so they don't feel anything, right? They may be feeling cold little, but their feet does not feel anything. Okay, now, now, a duck's walk is called as a waddle. If you will see a duck, how it moves? Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So that walk is called as waddle. Okay. Now, there is one more fact about ducks. Ducks are found everywhere in the world except the Antarctica. Okay. Now there are different zones in our on the Earth. Antarctica, the Arctic region, the Antarctic region. Okay. So birds are found in all the places, but in Antarctica it's very chilled, very cold. So we cannot find ducks there. Okay. So these are some of the facts of ducks. Now we are going to learn the poem in the next class. We are going to learn the poem about this duck in the next class. So see you in the next class, children. Till then, goodbye, Sai Ram. Thank you.